Hello to everyone, myself Dr. Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I'd like to give lecture on very important topic from our subject, Human Resource Management, that is recruitment and sources of recruitment. Let's see what is recruitment. Recruitment is the process of finding and attracting capable applicants for employment. It involves finding suitable applicants and encouraging them to apply for the job. This case, recruitment means nothing but we are calling for interviews, we are asking the eligible candidates to apply for the job. Recruitment can be done in any kind of media or sources, but eligible candidates, we need to encourage them, we need to make them to apply for the job. But please remember that recruitment is different from selection. Recruitment means we are just telling the information, we are asking them to apply for the job, only job applications, not guaranteed job, only job applications. So fine definition. According to Flippo, recruitment is the process of searching the candidates for employment and stimulating, encouraging them to apply for jobs in the organization. Yes, guys. Searching the right candidate and encouraging them to apply for the job is known as recruitment. Sources of recruitment. There are two sources, internal sources, external sources. Again, internal sources is classified into two types, transfer, promotion. External sources again classified into six types, newspaper advertisement, government employment exchange, employment agencies, educational institution, job fairs, friends and relation of workers. Let's see what is internal sources. Internal recruitment seeks applicants for position within the company. The following are the sources of internal recruitment. Yes, guys, the recruitment process which takes place within the organization is called as internal sources of recruitment. Point number A, transfer. The term transfer refers to shifting of an employee from one location to another or one place to another with same salary, position, and responsibilities. The organization can transfer employee to fulfill the vacancies. Yes, guys, whenever vacancies arises, if you think that transferring employee from one location, one branch to another branch will give more benefits to the organization, then you can do transfer recruitment process. Your employee only working in yours another branch, same salary, same position, everything is same. That is called transfer. Next point, point number B of internal sources, promotion. The term promotion refers to movement of an employee from low position to high position with high salary, position, and responsibilities. It is upward movement of an employee in the organization. The organization may give promotion to its employees to fulfill their vacancies. Yes, guys. Promotion means higher position, higher salary, higher designations, everything. If an organization feels that giving promotion to our employee as a manager is better than hiring someone from outside the organization, then it is called as internal sources of recruitment. Most of the companies they do promotions, those who are already working in the company, they give promotions to them only. So it is a best method of recruitment. Now, external sources of recruitment. External recruitment seeks applicants for position from outside the organization. The following are the external sources of recruitment. Yes, yes, guys. The organizations which takes employees which do recruitment process outside the boundaries of the organization is called as external sources of recruitment. Under this point number A, newspaper advertisement. Newspaper advertisement is the oldest form of advertisement. Many recruiters prefer newspaper advertisement to give advertisement about job vacancies. It is also a cheapest form of advertisement. The candidates can get information about the job vacancies through newspaper. Yes, guys, no doubt newspaper advertisement is the oldest form of advertisement. Even today, also, if you open the newspaper, you may see so many job vacancies: wanted sales manager, marketing manager, teachers, professors, wanted MBA students, wanted HR managers, wanted graduates, that is BBA, BCom, BCA, BSc computer science students for the job. So by seeing newspaper, eligible candidates will apply for the job, which is the best method of recruitment process. Next, point number B, government employment exchange. Government employment exchange act as a link between employees and the candidates. Under this method, the candidates can register their details in employment office. Whenever a vacancy arises, the government will contact employment officers to fill positions. Yes, guys. Government employment officers is there. You will do your registrations for the job, your qualifications, your date of birth, your address, everything you will give. Whenever vacancy arises, based on your eligibility, they will ask you to apply for the job, which is also one of the best method of recruitment. Point number C, employment agencies. Employment agencies are in the profession of recruiting and selecting managerial and executive personnel. They are useful as they have wide contacts. They can also screen and select candidates if required by the company. Yes, guys, employment agencies in cities and all, this is one of the best method of recruitment. Agencies will be there. They will screen and select the candidate based on the company's needs. After selection here, they will send those candidates to the organization for another interview. There also organizations will keep interview for them. After that, they will select them for the job. Employment agencies, one of the modern method of recruitment we can see. Next, educational institution, point number D. Educational institution recruitment is also called as campus interview. Under this kind of recruitment, the companies visits colleges and universities to select the young talents. Yes, guys, we all know how much important campus interview is, especially when you select post graduation courses like MCOM, MBA, MSc, MCA. Before selecting the course, the first question will be in your mind that there is a campus interview or not, job is there or not after studying in that college. So which is also one of the modern method of recruitment. Companies will visit colleges and they will hire young talents, fresh talents, and definitely young minds, young talents will give more success to the organization, there is no doubt. So going or visiting colleges and hiring candidates is known as campus interview. Next, point number E, job fairs. Under this kind of recruitment process, many companies will visit at one place to conduct interviews. Under this method, candidates will have plenty of options to attend interview, and companies also will have many candidates for recruitment. Yes, guys, job fairs means two or more companies, even five companies, six companies, 10 companies visit at one place. They keep interview. Those who perform well, they will get job. So this is also one of the best method of recruitment. You will be getting n number of candidates, mass candidates, and from that you can select suitable candidates. Job fair is one of the best method of recruitment process. And point number F, friends and relative of workers. Under this kind of recruitment, the organization will recruit the candidates who are friends or relatives of their workers. It is also one of the safest form of recruitment because the candidates are known person to the workers of the organization. Yes, guys. References also we can say for this kind of recruitment. Organization ask the workers to bring to tell their friends, relatives to apply for the job. Why companies are doing this? Because they are known person to their workers. Both positivity, negativity is also here. Positivity and negativity is also here. Positivity is no doubt employees will perform well because they are known to each other. Even if employee takes leave or does not work properly, we can easily catch them by approaching their relatives and so on. So references is one of the best method of recruitment at present days, we can say. So thank you very much, guys. Next thing we'll discuss in next video. Wish you all the best.